Hey guys, how's it going? It's Robbie here, Premium Motors. Doing a couple walkthroughs of the beautiful cars we currently have right now. Some of them, starting with 72 Chevelle convertible, 69 Daytona yellow RSSS big block Camaro, 1966 Ford Galaxie 7-liter, 67 Mustang Fastback we bought from the original owner, 68 Camaro factory L30 M20, all numbers matching, correct engine. We had this car a long time, kind of almost 2 years now. We've been putting it together, and we had it repainted factory triple E turquoise, which I think is a beautiful color. Put the black bumblebee stripe on it. It is the 327 factory 4-speed, factory tack and gauges. It's kind of a pretty unique, uncommon car. You don't see a lot of these. These are actually still equipped with the factory door panels from the car. They're stamped on the back October 67. The car was built last week of December of 67. Show you some of the cool things on the L30 M20. You get a factory 12-bolt rear end, factory multi-leaf rear leaf springs. Also under here, get the SSZ28 factory rear. Sorry, my camera's a little messed up here. Brake proportioning valve right there. Still running this original factory 14.6 rally wheels. Moving on to the 67 A-Code Fastback factory lime gold. It's a really cool car. We purchased it off the original owner who worked at the Ford assembly line in San Jose. Well, but he didn't work on the Mustang assembly line. He worked at the Ford plant. It still sports its original interior. It's got a little tear over there, driver's seat, back seat. It's original interior. Really solid car. It's had one repaint in its life. The motor's never been rebuilt. It's the original 289 A-Code. Now he bomb canned and painted the top of it. He gave it an engine dress-up kit. He's done maintenance things, carburetor, distributors, you know, water pump. But it's got 144,000 miles on it, and he's never touched it. He's never even hardened the valve seals, so you still have to run a lead additive in the fuel. It's a really cool car. Really fun to have. This car you don't find on our website because I'm kind of hanging on to it for a little bit right now. Moving on to the 66 Galaxie 7-liter. Kind of got a unique grill in them, the 7 liters. The factory 428 car. This car was special ordered in this 65 Mustang Poppy Red. It is paint code delete. This has had one repaint as well. Back in Mustang was painted 2001. This was painted about 2010. This is a 10-year-old paint job on it. Interior is mostly original. Seat covers, door panels. It's had a carpet kit put in it at one point. We replaced the dash pad. It had a crack in it, and the pad above the instrument cluster. But yeah, another cool car. I can kind of show you this car was special order paint code because the tag is paint code delete. I don't know if you can see that, but there is no color code. It's not really focusing where the color is. Yeah, big block factory 428 car. Big heavy car. You know, this model 7-liter was brought out to showcase this motor. It was a factory AC equipped car. The belt's been missing for a long time. It's never been on this car. I've known this car actually for 7 years before we had the opportunity to buy it. Another car we had, our buddy did a restoration on this car. It's a beautiful car. Factory Daytona yellow houndstooth. Pretty rare color combination. This car, we found it locally in a town about 30 miles north of where we are. And I'd been sitting in a garage since 1981. A guy raced it during the 70s. So the unfortunate thing is the running gear got blown up in it. We decided to make it a big block car and a 4-speed. It was an automatic car, but it is factory yellow rally sport SS car. Beautiful restoration on it. The paint is gorgeous on this car. It's a lot of yellow, you can say that. On the SS wheels. Nice, cool sounding car. I know we got a lot of road noise, but it is what it is. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite cars in the shop. Then we move on to the 72 Chevelle convertible. Not a true SS car. We built this car way back 2005, 2006. I purchased the car in 2002. I did my own custom house of color tangerine orange over gold. Really pops in the sun. White stripes, white top, white interior. This is running a big block 468 with aluminum heads. It's a little dirty. I got stuff all over it, but really cool car. One of my held on to that a long time because it was built the way I wanted it to be built. I'll hopefully in the future I will put together some videos on these cars, let you hear them run, see them drive. But just wanted to show you guys some of the good cars that we have in our shop at the moment. Make a nice rainbow of colors too, almost. Blue, green, orange, yellow, and metallic-y orange. So, hope you guys enjoyed the little video. And have a good day. Stay safe.